Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with these free tools. Okay, and you can get started within today, literally within minutes of setting up this free viral platform. Okay, now this Mega Marketing Pro system is a platform that will allow you to put any of your businesses of choice. Now, if you're a total newbie and you haven't got any businesses to promote, the good news is it doesn't matter, because when you go in here, you'll be able to check out your sponsor's business. And the good news is this whole system brands to your sponsor. Okay. And that means that when you get this system set up, all the people that you refer to this system are only going to see your links to join whatever businesses you promote. Okay. So at this stage, you're thinking, well, I haven't got any businesses to promote. I'm brand new. But that's fine. So what you do is you just check out your sponsors' businesses, okay, to see if any of those are a good fit for you. You don't have to fill in all the businesses. You know, you can just start with 2 businesses, 1 businesses, or whatever. Okay, so check out what your sponsor's doing, because when you go down here, you start watching the step 1 of this free platform. Okay, for Mega Marketing Pro. You're on step 1 here. Watch the video step 1, okay, and you can set up your profile here by going to the profile section at the top here on the menu. This is always going to be your sponsor right here, because you need to see, you know, who your sponsor is, and you need all the allies you can get in this industry, because these are the people that are going to potentially help you out, especially if you're planning on working with them. Now, you know, you could come in here and maybe you're not a newbie and you've already got businesses you promote. In that case, you know, bear in mind that, you know, sure, your sponsor is there to help you. However, this is a free system. It's not monetized technically. The whole point of this system is that if you're going to partner up with your sponsor with this system in one way or another, then they have more of a reason to be ready and willing to support you with this particular platform. Okay. Now, there are a number of things. Now, the great, amazing thing about this is that even if you don't have a handful of businesses to promote with this system, it doesn't matter, because there are a number of other income streams. And what do I mean by income streams? I'm talking about the tools that we get in here, the traffic system. So when you get onto step 2, the next thing you're going to be looking to do is to get set up with the traffic tools. Okay, why do you need traffic? Well, guys, you know, if you're not getting traffic to your offers, okay, you're not in business. Okay, it's exactly the same as any business out there. You know, we all need eyeballs onto our websites, or, you know, if you're a shop, you know, people need to be able to walk past your shop and see, you know, what you've got in display, so that they can potentially purchase what you've got. So it's the same here. You know, when you've set yourself up with a kind of a front, a branding, okay, who you are. Okay, so that's what this Mega Marketing Pro system is. Once you've set things up in here, you're going to need to have eyeballs coming across and seeing what you've got here. Okay, and then as they come through the system, okay, in the same way as you did, then, you know, they are going to be able to, you know, check out what you've got, and that's how we get people sort of checking out what we've got, you know, to promote. All right, and that's why. And if you don't go through the step 2 and get set up with the traffic steps, you're not going to be able to get people checking out what you've got, and therefore you're not going to be able to make you know, any money in this industry. So I've put in the traffic steps into step 2, all in one sort of convenient step, where you can go in, you can register for the recommended traffic steps. Okay, you don't have to use them all if you don't want to. Okay, many of them are free. I'm having problems with my internet connection at the moment. It's a bit slow. Let me just pause this. Okay, so we're here on step 2. We've got the traffic steps. Okay, watch the video here as you go through. But here are the traffic steps. So what you do is you join under your sponsor, so that everything is branded to you. So what you do is you click the buttons here, check out these platforms, these traffic systems. But what you can do is you can you know, brand it with your link. Okay, and click save. Now, obviously, you know, some of these are Warrior Plus deals. Okay, because some great traffic tools on Warrior Plus, and you know, there's some. There's got Second Splash here, which is a free to join platform. You've got Traffic Ad Bar, which is free. My Lead Gen Secrets, not free, but you know, worth checking out, and you know, so on. So these are the recommended traffic platforms that I recommend. Okay, and many of these I've been using for years. You know, you can skip this for now. Then on step 3, as you go through on step 3, you've got the autoresponder setup. So I call this step the automation step, because it basically is. This is where you can, you know, really automate your business, and that's really what you want in many ways. But you know, in order to set this completely up in automation, you need the leadsLeap platform. The leadsLeap platform is basically the backbone of MegaMarketingPro system. Okay, but you can join leadsLeap for free, and yes, you can set up most of this for free. What you won't be able to set up, you know, if you're going to remain as a free member at leadsLeap, is you won't be able to set up the autoresponder. Okay, that's obviously reserved for pro members, but you can still capture leads, so you can actually use these share codes in the leadsLeap platform. And the purpose of this is, you know, as you'll discover if you watch the video there, is so that what you're doing is you're sending traffic to the capture pages, such as this one, for example. They put their name and email address, so you're getting your traffic basically on step 2, which is what the previous step was. Is you'll send the traffic that you set up on step 2. You send that traffic to a lead capture page, such as this, for example. Put your name and email address and click the button. That's what the leads will do, and they'll go through. And on the next page, they'll come to your registration link, this is the registration URL here. Of MegaMarketingPro. So what you're doing is you're setting yourself up with leadsLeap. You're putting a lead capture page. So in other words, you're capturing the leads. Those leads will simply redirect onto the next page, which is this link here, which will be your link. Okay, and then they'll register for MegaMarketingPro. And as they come through, as soon as they register, they'll be on step 1, just like the way you came through. So this is a complete rinse and repeat system. So, you know, everything that you've been through, pay attention as you go through, because your leads are going to do exactly the same thing. But the difference is that they're going to see your links to everything that you've set up on step 1 and step 2. Okay, so your business is on step 1, the traffic steps on step 2, and then they'll go through on step 3. But obviously they'll need leadsLeap. So, you know, obviously, you know, you've already put your leadsLeap user ID in there, and you can make sure it's in there and then click save, so that when they need the leadsLeap platform, they're going to come through your link as well. So everything in here, it all brands to you. Everything, the only links that they're going to see and be able to join are your links. Okay, so it all brands to you. It's a complete giveaway system. It's free, you know, with branding rights. Okay, so make sure that you set it up completely. Make sure you go into the profile settings, set that up as well. Go into edit profile. Check out the tools and so on, the banners, splash pages, email swipes, and more share codes if you need them. You don't necessarily need them, but you know, again, those are templates in there if you need extra stuff. You've got a lot of stuff here anyway. So if you get stuck with any of this, remember you've got, you know, everything you need in the way of guides. Okay, so you've got the video here. You've also got the full leadsLeap course, just to understand the entire video course, you know, and it's like an A to Z of leadsLeap. And then you got the full setup guide, which is a PDF. Some people prefer reading, you know, the PDF, you know, so you know, nobody can say that they haven't got help and support with this system. Okay, and that's a good thing that's how we duplicate. I mean, there are literally thousands upon thousands upon thousands of members using this system. Okay, and you know, you don't have to be the one guiding them through every step of the way. This system does it for you. That's how we duplicate, you know. But be ready to help. You know, if people have specific questions to support you, they're going to reach out to you and try and communicate with you, and be ready to help. So learn the process. Okay, even just because you're a newbie doesn't mean you can't learn the process as you go through the steps. So it's really a simple step 1. Set up your businesses of choice, whatever businesses they are. If you haven't got any businesses of your own that you're promoting, check out your sponsors' businesses, and if they're of any good fit for you, you know, register for them. Okay, and then just put them into the steps and brand it with those businesses if you like. You know, stay curious as to what your sponsor is doing. Why do I say that? Because we need all the allies we can get in this industry. You need the mentors, you need the help. And if you're not joining them in anything, why should they be helping you? Because, you know, it makes sense. And the same applies, you know, having that mental attitude, same applies to the people that come through your link. You know, this is the purpose of this system, is it's like a really advanced funnel system. Typically a funnel will bring in leads, and if they check out your businesses or whatever, they may or may not, and if they haven't, you've lost them. Okay, they're gone, they'll unsubscribe or whatever. But with this, I like to see this system as a kind of it's not like a typical funnel where you've got the funnel here and they come in through the funnel and then they go down. But if they don't join, there's nothing at the bottom to hold them into the system. But with this, it's like an hourglass. You know, if you imagine an egg timer, an hourglass, so you come in through the top and they come in, but they're engulfed. You know, this whole system keeps them in and they want to be here. You know, it's not like it's like you know, like Aesop fables, for example, where you know you got the wind and the sun, where you know one day a traveler was walking by, and you've got you know the wind one day wanted to you know have a little battle with the sun, and said, okay, let's see who can take that traveler's coat off. Okay, and you know the wind started blowing and blowing and blowing and forcing the traveler to take off their coat, but he failed. And then it was the sun's turn. The sun just shone down gently and made the whole atmosphere very hot. And the traveler just wanted to take off the coat without any arguments at all. And that's what this system is. It's simply giving someone a free system. There's no forcing. There's no pressuring. They stay within the system. They want to be here. You know, they're not forced to use the system, but they want to be here because they can set up their own system here. They can add in their own links. They can add in their own businesses of choice, and they get to brand it themselves. They get to give away a system that is highly converting. Okay, and it's monetized because it's got, you know, all the systems. It's got the leadsLeap system in here. We've got your businesses of choice, up to 10 businesses. We've got the traffic steps. Everything can be branded to you. So there's a lot of income streams in this system. Once you set it up, it's just a one funnel that you share out, and everything can be housed within one place. And you know, an opportunity for you to make a lot of money with this system. Okay, and it's a free platform to use. So, and you know, with all the training and everything inside, with all the tools and so on. Okay, so that's what it is. So what's the next step after you get to step 3 and you've set that up? You know, again, make sure that you've set up your profile, edit the profile, make sure that they have a way to communicate with you, add in your Telegram information, your Facebook information, check out the tools, and then, you know, use those. But really, you know, go back to step 2 every single day and see how you can, you know, escalate and scale up the traffic, and then, you know, sending that traffic to your funnel that you created in step 3. So it's really, after step 3, it's really going back to step 2, making sure that you've got the traffic set up properly. And every day you can be going in there in some of those platforms, you know, consider purchasing some traffic. But, you know, particularly the free platforms such as Traffic Ad Bar, you can be surfing ads every day just to earn credits, so that, you know, once you've set that up, you know, you can go into those traffic exchanges and, you know, gain credits in those traffic platforms, so that the more credits you have, the more traffic that will be sent to, you know, your pages within those platforms. So every day you can be doing something just to, you know, nurture your leads and bring new leads into the system and getting them through the, you know, these steps, and helping them, guiding them, following up, supporting them. Doing it that way, I'm not, you know, we can't guarantee anything because it's all down to you, but I can just 100% say if you follow the steps and you teach the steps and you rinse and repeat and you keep going and you do it and do it and do it every single day, you're going to make money. It's as simple as that. You just can't not fail. I mean, it's just really that simple. All right. And it's a free system, so you're not losing anything. Okay, you're just gaining. That we're just giving away a free system here, so that you guys can to really, you know, make money. So why are we giving away a free system? What's in it for me? All right, what's in it for me as the owner and of the system? Well, obviously, you know, just like you, I'm a happy user of this system, and I've brought in literally tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of leads within this system. Okay, don't believe me? Check out the leaderboard. Okay. And this system has been going for 3 years. So, you know, it's very, very popular. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I know you're going to love this tool. It's going to be very beneficial to a lot of people who are looking to, start to make money online. If you're a newbie or if you're an experienced marketer, we all need a system to get us up and running with. Okay, even if you're an experienced marketer, you're gonna potentially have even newbies on your team that are looking to have an easy system to get set up with. So, send them through on this, but get yourself set up first so that, you benefit. All right. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.